Fairland, Spring Lake, and Marlaysville. This includes the following highways: Interstate 65 between mile markers 87 and 104. Interstate 70 between mile markers 94 and 107. Interstate 74 between mile markers 93 and 115. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for South Central and Central Indiana. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: Brown, Hancock, Johnson, Marion, Monroe, Morgan, Rush, and Shelby. Flood advisory.